No, you're looking everywhere else.
No, you can't have the
You
camera.
can't have the camera. You just look at it.
Looking at your chubby legs. Chubby legs.
Oh no. Say, I'm too fast for you. Come on, Caleb. I'm too fast. I know.
He's too sick. Cheddar.
Hey Grayson, you can wear this one.
Yeah.
Nice, and it matches what you're wearing. No, your head won't get sunburned.
Oh.
I know mine's going to.
Do you need sunscreen?
I'm gonna let it.